Hat Chase checking in. Hat Richmond Chase checking in. Just got my beard trim. Barber Palace Bottom. You guys know this is where I used to go to get my hair did up in DC. They have one in RVA as well. Come see my girl Sheena. She'll have you looking good.
Literally beautiful.
May's over here talking about getting the best blowout of her life. I don't know if that's safe for work, but check it out. Looking pretty good. Shout out to Immortal Beloved. We are down here in Richmond, Virginia, bouncing all over this video, this vloggy vlog. But yeah, May is on her break from school. We got like 3 weeks. It's our only break for nurse practitioner school. And we decided to kind of capitalize on the time off and back home, visiting friends and family in Richmond, Virginia, DC. So welcome to the LA, welcome to the DC, East Coast, West Coast mashup. So big. I've never seen something so big before.
It's a nice break.
But it's so good to be back at Richmond. I want to introduce you guys real quick to my buddy Pat. We'll keep it short, this generator is really loud. But Pat Pearson's a really good friend of mine, known him for about 10 years now. He's wicked skilled when it comes to like crafts and apparel and leather goods. If you've seen any of the journal covers and like the keychain tags, it's all been this guy. Basically came back just for him for this grand opening in his store in Carytown. What's Blackbyrd?
Blackbyrd is just a kind of a vision started, 5 years ago.
Yeah.
I just wanted to create stuff. I've just always been in love with just kind of accessories and watching things age, and couldn't pass up the idea of having a store in Carytown once this property went on the market. So we rushed to get it done, and hopefully it hits.
You guys get to see all the cool like apparel and products and stuff inside. I'm gonna let Griffin just run amok with the camera and make some really cool content for you guys. But Blackbyrd Goods, check it out if you're ever in Richmond, Virginia, or online, blackbyrdgoods.com. Yeah, awesome, thanks man. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Just kidding, I told May to hold the camera exactly in that position. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. We're here on Catalina Island. It took about an hour and 45-minute boat ride, which, not gonna lie, May and I both got a little nauseous, but we made it through, we powered through. Just been spending the afternoon here. I'm gonna give a shout out to Boothing for coordinating this trip. It's been a great little Saturday getaway. Getting out of the work schedule, school schedule, all that stuff. Much needed day off. Fresh back from my trip from Houston, actually, so it's been kind of like little vacay, little break here and there. But yeah, beautiful day, can't complain. Finally getting out of our little downtown LA bubble, and welcome to Catalina. Also, hey, you come back this way. Also, I've yet to find the fucking Catalina wine mixer.
Okay.
I don't think it was this day. job. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Catalina. Hope you enjoyed the little trip out of the norm, trying to get more exploration done in LA. And
sorry, hold on. It looks fuzzy.
yeah, it's the lens fucked up.
Oh, okay.
What's up, fam? Hat Chase checking in. Never seen Hat Chase before. Hat Chase is new. Old Chase is still figuring out if Hat Chase is gonna stick around. I don't know. Let me know. Leave a comment. Today we just had brunch. It's Sunday. Welcome back from Catalina, by the way. Doing a little donut comparison. This guy, donut friend, from over there. Back over here. Back over here.
That's downtown donuts over there.
From over there, we got downtown donuts. Camera lady thinks she knows everything. All right. Yeah. So we're gonna do a little donut comparison. Now I got just plain house donut with their strawberry glaze. So you guys can see the differences here. You know me. Go follow the channel for a little bit. I love donuts. Sugar Shack Donuts back home, Virginia, DC, and Sidecar when we're down in Laguna. But let's dive into the downtown donut.
Damn, that shit's good.
All right. We're gonna be rating on a couple factors here. Overall freshness, all right? Both very fresh. I mean, judging on a few things here. It's gonna be overall freshness, initial bite, and overall like taste and quality. I feel they're both very fresh. I can tell because they're not like hard. First bite of downtown donut. Very soft. Good ratio of like sprinkles and icing to cake. Wow. Okay. It's like typical like Homer Simpson donut. Alright. Now this Mama Jamma from Donut Friend.
Oh my God.
Wow. Initial bite. I actually think downtown donut wins.
Really?
Yeah. It was very fluid. There's very synchronicity going on with my teeth and my palate. Everything mushed together at once. This one, a little bit denser, It's not as like squishy and airy, but overall taste. Residual. Yep, we got a winner, people. Yep. You're in downtown LA and you want the freshest strawberry donut around. Come to Donut Friend. But if you're more that immediate satisfaction kind of person, you want that squish when you bite down, go to Downtown Donuts.
Nella, that was rude.